Hello, this is Jose Pachon with Nexus Property Management, showing you a 3-bedroom apartment at 526 4th Street in Fall River. This apartment has been freshly painted and professionally cleaned. It features hardwood floors throughout. As you come into the front door, you're in the living room, which has 3 large windows that let the sunlight in. Off the living room is the kitchen. The kitchen has also been painted and it's been professionally cleaned. It has actually some new flooring that has been installed. There's a bathroom here. Bathroom has plenty of storage room with a vanity, large vanity, and a mirror cabinet. As we come out of the kitchen, we're gonna show you the 3 bedrooms. First bedroom has a very, very large closet that has been painted and completely cleaned. This bedroom has 2 windows which allow lots of sunlight to come in. Second bedroom also has a very large closet. So we move out of the second bedroom. I will show you the last bedroom, which also has a closet. It's not as large as the others, but it is a very good sized closet nonetheless. Nexus Property Management offers an online portal where you can chat with our staff, request maintenance, pay your rent online. We also feature a 24-hour hotline that is available to you 24 hours a day, 365 days a year in case of an emergency. This has been Jose Pachon with Nexus Property Management at 526 4th Street in Fall River.